Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to do sumo squats for beginners. First, let's understand this powerful lower body exercise. Sumo squats are fantastic for targeting your inner thighs and glutes, helping you build impressive strength and stability. To start, stand with your feet significantly wider than shoulder width, ensuring your toes are pointed outwards at about a 45-degree angle. This wide stance is key to engaging the right muscles from the very beginning. Now let's perfect your form. As you descend, imagine you're sitting back into a chair, keeping your chest lifted and your shoulders pulled back. Your back should remain straight, not rounded. Lower yourself until your thighs are parallel to the floor, or as deep as your flexibility allows without compromising form. Then, powerfully drive through your heels to push back up to your starting position, squeezing your glutes at the top. To get the most out of your sumo squats and stay safe, avoid common mistakes. A big one is letting your knees collapse inward. Actively push them out over your toes. Also, keep your torso upright. Don't lean too far forward, which can strain your back. Focus on controlled movements both down and up, rather than rushing. This ensures proper muscle engagement and reduces injury risk. Once you've mastered the basic sumo squat, you can start thinking about progression. To increase the challenge, gradually introduce light weights, such as holding a dumbbell or kettlebell in front of you. You can also increase the number of repetitions or sets you perform as your strength and endurance grow. Remember to always prioritize form over weight. And hey, for more great deals and to make meal prep easy with those leak-proof containers, be sure to check out the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.